My abdomen is sore. My ankle is swelling. My arm is aching. My armpit is sweaty. My back is hurting. My beard is growing. My belly is full. My brain is thinking. My breast is tender. My butt is sore. My cheek is blushing. My chest is tight. My chin is pointed. My clavicle is fragile. My collarbone is showing. My ear is listening. My elbow is raised. My eye is twitching. My eyebrow is thick. My eyelash is long. My face is smiling. My feet are cold. My finger is pointing. My fingernail is painted. My forearm is strong. My forehead is sweaty. My hair is curly. My hand is shaking. My head is hurting. My heart is beating. My heel is sore. My hip is aching. My jaw is stiff. My kidney is healthy. My knee is swollen. My knuckle is bruised. My leg is tired. My lips are smiling. My liver is healthy. My lungs are breathing. My mole is dark. My mouth is open. My navel is clean. My neck is stiff. My nose is sniffing. My nostril is flaring. My palm is sweaty. My ribs are hurting. My scalp is itchy. My shoulder is tense. My soul is sore. My stomach is growling. My teeth are clean. My thigh is strong. My thumb is sprained. My toenails are trimmed. My toes are wiggling. My tongue is tasting. My waist is slim. My wrist is sore.